Chest signs and symptoms. Introduction. Chest. The chest or thorax refers to the part of the body enclosed by the ribs and breastbone. From the Chinese point of view, there is a difference between the front part of the chest, which is under the influence of heart and lungs, and the sides of the chest, which are under the influence of the liver and gallbladder. The front of the chest is also the area where the gathering of qi or zong qi is concentrated. Yan po yung drawing natin, yung chest areas, yung lungs, part, liver, and gallbladder sa dalawang side. Why we ask? It is necessary to ask about chest symptoms because some of them occur frequently in practice. Particular symptoms often manifest in the chest. For example, a feeling of oppression may be felt there are palpitations which often derive from emotional stress. Patients do not often volunteer information on chest symptoms unless we ask. For example, according to the experience of the author, few patients will actually describe experiencing a feeling of oppression in the chest. In addition, both the tongue and the pulse frequently reflect a pathology of the chest. A purple area in the tongue chest area. So, tingnan po natin yung figure 20.10. For example, ayun po. So, both side po yan, ano. Yung purple color in the chest area, lungs or heart in the women, also the breast. So, in addition, both the tongue and pulse frequently reflect the pathology of the chest. A purple area in the tongue chest area, for example, or a pulse that is weak and deep on both front position. Yan, nakita na po natin. So, chest symptoms often reflect very common pathologies such as liver qi stagnation, phlegm in the chest, and heart blood deficiency. Therefore, I specifically ask about chest symptoms quite early in the interrogation as the patient is describing his or her symptoms according to the author. How we ask. It is important to be sensitive when asking questions regarding the chest because people often fear that if we ask about the chest, we suspect a heart pathology. Besides this, some typical Chinese expressions are not used by Western patients, and we should therefore phrase the question in a way that is understandable to the patient. For example, your patient will actually use the expression feeling of oppression of the chest. They will probably describe a feeling of tightness of the chest or say a feeling was like having a weight on the chest. Palpitation is another example of the importance of asking questions in a way that the patient can understand. Most people think that palpitation are synonyms with tachycardia, that is, heart beating faster than normal. We should therefore explain to the patient that palpitations simply means an uncomfortable sensation of being aware of one's heartbeat. One could have tachycardia and not have palpitation. Tachycardia. Thank you for your attention.